Hello, darlings. Welcome to BM's Power Habit. Today we have a Beet Boost recipe for you that will give you energy and vitality. Cut up your beets, about 3 large beets, cut up nicely. Cut up your curly kale. Make sure to remove the spine so it's nice and fluffy kale. Separate 2 cups of clean washed spinach, 3 cups of apple juice, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable protein. Blend well, dear, for about 1 minute. This is very important. Absolutely delicious. You want to add 1 cup per juice, 1 cup water. Water it down a little bit, put a little lemon juice in it. Absolutely delicious. It's a lot of pulpiness. That pulpiness is roughage, is fiber for a lovely poo, dear. What a wonderful thing this is. Benefits of juice are so important. Anti-aging, dear. Antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, rich in vitamins and minerals, boosts the immune system, oh my goodness, lowers the cholesterol, Alzheimer's prevention, weight loss, absolutely wonderful, reduces your body weight, there's that one. Be sure to drink your Beet Boost every day for the rest of your life to feel great in the body, vitality, and energy. Until we see you next week, dear.